caps lock key not working and stuck in Windows 11 easy fix. So if your caps lock key is actually stuck, right? So basically you've been trying to figure out some of the ways on how you can fix if your caps lock is not working. Now, if the issue is with the hardware, then what we can do is you can go to your search bar and just search for on-screen keyboard. Open up on-screen keyboard right here, and from here you can just try to press caps lock, and then you can go ahead and type in what you want, and you can also disable caps lock from here. Now after this, there are also a couple of things, because sometimes it could just be that your hardware on your keyboard has damaged because maybe you spilled something on your keyboard. For that, now what we can also try to do to check whether or not it's a hardware damage is we can go to advanced keyboard settings. And once we go to advanced keyboard settings from our search bar right here, you can see, let me use a different input method for each app window. You can go ahead and then enable that, or you can go to language bar options. Over here, you can see a couple of options. You can also see advanced key settings. And when you see here, you can see to turn off caps lock, you can press the caps lock key or press the shift key. So if your caps lock is not functioning, you can change that function of caps lock to the shift key, so that when you use the shift key will be used as a caps lock if the caps lock key is damaged. But this is totally your own choice what you want to do. And then click the apply button to click on OK and to fix this problem. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.